Hi, Judd here. This morning I went to Home Depot and bought the wrong nails, so I can't do the nailing on the porch. I got distracted. They got so many choices. Blah. Anyway, so tomorrow I'll exchange those, get the right nails, and do that tomorrow. Meanwhile, I'm sitting out here on the porch, and you know, if you watched yesterday's video, or 2 days ago, you know how happy I was when I added this board and how much solidity it added to this wall. Well, I was sitting out here, and I've got another section here that is also a little wobbly. Not as much, but it's got a little wobble in it, like if I'm inside and I pull on that, it gives. And I immediately discovered, much to my delight, that I have enough left over of that 2x3 to do this, the same thing here, and take it down to the joist and make this more solid. Plus this will give me a nice accent piece where the paneling, the new side wall paneling will end. So I'm going to prepare this piece, prepare it this way, so that hole is down on the bottom, and install that. And maybe, I shouldn't say that, but maybe I'll get to the siding, I don't know. It's kind of late, but we'll see. Okay, I need 46 inches. I'm not going to bother bringing out the power saw for this, but I did forget my saw. Good old shark tooth, baby. There we go. Great. Ripped it open. Okay. Cool. I also think it might be time for a new shark tooth saw. This one's been in service for 20 or 30 years. Okay, so I'm going to spray this, prime it, and paint it, and then I'll get back to you when I'm ready to install. It is so humid out. This isn't going to dry outside. I brought it inside, put it in front of the fan, and it dried out. So I'm going to paint it inside so it'll dry. And also I put nails in it. Okay, so I got 4 nails in it, so I can then flip it over and paint the other side immediately. Very humid out. 2 million humidity, relative humidity. I also discovered I have 3 different greens, all of them very close, and the one I used the other day was wrong. I just found the right one, so I got to do all the green over again. Right. While the paint dries, might as well do something else. Yeah, just gotta figure out how I'm gonna attach those. If I'm gonna nail them or screw them. I haven't decided that yet. I will think on that and go check and see if the paint's dry. Or maybe I'll just sit and watch the paint dry. It's very humid. By the way, don't remember if I mentioned it, but the humidity today is 2 million again. Okay, well, I don't think that's ever going to dry, even inside. So I'm going to let it go overnight. Now I'm kind of pooped anyway. I didn't sleep last night, so I will move on tomorrow. So that's going to be a wrap for today. I'm going to hit the pool and probably take a nap in the pool. Happy day to you.